just reviewing the old show.
Christmas Day show?
Yeah,
Christmas
right.
Day hunt?
Bella, I like your hat.
Thank ya. It's the newest one.
Matching. Merry Christmas, by the way, bud.
Merry Christmas, Mike. Merry Christmas, Bella.
Merry Christmas.
Winning.
I'm scared away to do that.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Bella, Ryan, and I just got out to the home farm. We've had a great morning at the house, and dinner's in the oven. Couldn't help but come out. It's been raining all day. It's 55 degrees, terrible conditions, east-southeast wind. But we have limited days to hunt with Bella over Christmas break, and, you know, decided we had to get out here and try our luck. We are back on the bottom turnip plot where she killed Big Mac. And I actually drove over yesterday before church and moved this blind down here just because we've had this string of southeast winds and I have very limited setups for that. And Anna's buck has actually been in this food plot multiple times. It's been in the morning, which is interesting. That tells me he's not bedding very far. This is like the center of the bedding area. And with the warm temperatures, you know, we're trying to decide, is he going to go out to beans or come out to turnips? I felt like this is as good a spot as any. The beans have been a little bit slower, and it's very difficult to get them in bow range, or crossbow range, I should say, from the one blind that we have set up for a southeast wind on the beans. We're going to have the wind switching out of the northwest, moving forward, and so we're going to get to some of our more traditional spots that work really well with the crossbow.
Well, as my dad said, it's been raining. It's also very warm, Christmas Day. We had a lot of fun at the house, and I'm just really hoping that a good shooter shows up and comes in the range.
Yeah. Marty has also been on camera, not very far, just right across this bottom. He's not been on this plot, but he's very much in the area. And last year we were filming him up the hill on the back bean, so you know, it's not without question that he could show up here. Yesterday we also practiced with Xander, my little twin boy. He's 5.5, well, 5 years 10 months, so he actually shot really, really well. We didn't get out to practice much more today because it's just been pouring down rain, and I still need to go buy him a tag, but it is looking like we're gonna be able to get him out, and his brother's interested too, so I'm hoping that before the end of Christmas break we can get him out, at least for does. But it's been a lot of fun, and we're gonna sit back. We've got a couple hours to go here. Hopefully Anna's buck shows up tonight.
Yeah.
It looked like a shorter time date. I wonder where they're all headed. Looks like you shed the other side. That's a pretty young deer. He's chewing on that bulb. There's a 6x6, right? It's got little. Yeah, I was wrong on the. It's not the G4s. It's actually the G5s. They're a little bigger. Not that the 4s are very long, but it's a cool looking deer. we just made it back to the house. We snuck out of there real quick when there was a lull in the rain. And the hunt ended up not being too bad considering how hot it was. And it actually poured down rain the entire sit. Ended up seeing 6 bucks and then 4 antlerless. And the best bucks were, looked like a couple 3-year-olds. But fun to be out nonetheless. You know, it's Christmas Day, spending time with friends and family, and we always enjoy it. And I wasn't necessarily expecting some amazing hunt in there. So we had a good time though, and the deer moved right up until dark. But looking forward, we got good weather coming. It's not great, but it's better than what it has been. We're gonna get a wind out of the north on Wednesday, and it should be setting up well for that first week of January to at least have cooler temps and northwest winds, which I've got a lot more spots set up for northwest winds. So gonna be looking forward to getting Bella out, as well as the boys and myself and Rye and everybody. So we'll catch up with you guys next time we're out.